Welcome. Have you ever wondered how you can watch Netflix through IPTV? Stay right there. We're about to unravel the mysteries of IPTV and Netflix magic. You're familiar with Netflix, right? But imagine experiencing it with a new twist on IPTV. IPTV, the modern way of streaming, offers an unexpected delight for Netflix lovers. Seamlessly connect your IPTV box and dive into a wider world of entertainment possibilities. Picture this: a simple install leading to a universe of diverse, exciting content. Have a seat, relax, and explore everything IPTV offers to enhance your Netflix experience. From popular blockbusters to hidden gems, you can enjoy it all via premium IPTV service. Still wondering? Let us show you how to effortlessly switch between channels on IPTV. With IPTV, you gain a level of flexibility traditional methods just can't offer. Want to elevate your Netflix binging? Step into the advanced streaming scene. 2TV.store offers an unbeatable IPTV service loaded with options you will love. Get access to popular shows and channels. 2TV.store is your gateway. Enjoy endless possibilities, the entertainment experience redefined with IPTV at its core. Explore today and redefine your Netflix experience hands-on with the power of IPTV. Visit 2TV.store for the best IPTV provider and enjoy a seamless entertainment journey now.